Hello my friends, today we are showing you guys how to easily use Collectr's website. So Collectr, or you could go to app.getcollector.com, pause the video there. So when you go into their main site, you're going to see this page here. You got Explore, Sets, Portfolio, Showcase, and so much more. If you click Sets, you might think this is all that they have on here. Well, they actually have way more sets than just this. For a long time, it confused me as well, because I thought, oh, okay, so this is all they carry. No, if you go under Explore, and you go over to the left side here and click See More, you then realize they have all this stuff, like Zero Cool, which is VFriends. If you select that, you see VFriends stuff. Let's unselect it. You got basketball, and then it brings up different basketball cards. You can manually search then into the search bar. You want to go under some Star Wars stuff here? No problem, then you got Star Wars. You can also click different sets by clicking the name right there. So this is the promos, and it'll bring up all of the SWD promos. You can then also search by sealed only. So let's click MetaZoo. Let's do clear. Sometimes stuff doesn't show up. There we go. So if something doesn't show up, just click clear. It kind of refreshes everything and then go click it. So MetaZoo. You could do by cards only or sealed only. So now we can see all of sealed. And you guys can add to your collection, you know, the different stuff. We can see our portfolio here. There's so much that you guys can do in here. So we can see our top cards, then we can filter it. So this is our portfolio. And then we can filter it. You guys can see over here. So then we can simply go under sealed only. So if I want to look in my own collection of my sealed, we can take a look at our sealed stuff. One of my favorite apps that I have downloaded in a long time and sites that I use.